This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this Ultra Limited is vivid black with black finish. And basically what the black finish means is Harley Davidson at the factory has replaced all the chrome parts with black parts. So it really gives this bike a really cool look, being black on black. This bike is in excellent condition, very low miles, with only 3,367 original miles on the odometer. This bike is ready for the next road trip. Being the Ultra Limited, it's equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. So you have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you down the road, power to pull out the pass, power to get up and over the hills with you and your passenger and all your gear. Just a great engine. It's nicely equipped. It has the rider's backrest, which is adjustable. Windshield bags have been added, so you have somewhere to store some of your gear when you're going down the road to make it easy to get to. It has heated grips. It also has the GTS BOOM stereo system. This is all a color touchscreen. AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your music into it from your phone or your iPod. It's got a little compartment right here that you can put your phone or iPod in and plug it in, and it will charge your device and at the same time integrate it into the stereo, or you can Bluetooth it into the stereo, control it through the touch screen or the hand controls. Comes in real handy. Also, Harley Davidson blacked out short arm highway pegs have been added. And Screamin Eagle black slip-on mufflers. Gives this bike a good rumble, but not too loud. Nice blacked out luggage rack. LED lights on the TourPak that are run, brake, and turn, besides the tail light. Sirius XM radio. Black gas cap. Has the redesigned front fairing that has the vent. LED headlight, LED driving lights, and they're all blacked out. Blacked out front end. Nice black custom Harley wheels. The black finish on this bike just looks awesome. Just really sets it off. Chrome is nice, but a blacked out bike just really looks great. if you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited with the factory blacked out finish on it. Very low miles with only 3,367 original miles. All the right accessories have been added already, so this bike is ready for your next road trip. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now remember, we don't charge any of what I call the mystery dealer fees. Our prices are out the door with a 30-day temp tag. So you can ride your bike and have 30 days to go get it registered wherever you happen to be living at. Thank you for considering Dream Cycles USA.